crossing the border, bringing the check and the postal order. Letters with the rich, letters with the poor, the shop with the corner of the girl next door. This is the night mail crossing the border.